How to sell AliExpress products on Instagram. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to list the AliExpress products on your Instagram page. So if you are a small and upcoming Instagram business page and you want to sell genuine products off of AliExpress, you can do so by first creating an account on AliExpress. Once you make sure you have your account, you just need to browse through the product list and select what kind of product you want to sell. Then you just select those products, add pictures of those, or take pictures of those from online or from AliExpress itself as well. Then you can see the product descriptions here. Once you find the product descriptions, make sure that you add all of your product descriptions there along with the price and make sure to price it a little bit higher than what it costs on AliExpress, obviously to gain profit. Once you have listed your product on Instagram, make different posts and stories about the product. And once you have done that, when you get orders on Instagram, all you have to do is just go ahead and ask for the product or order the product on AliExpress with reliable customer service and sellers. Then directly ship it to the person that has ordered it. You don't even have to keep stock of the product, so it's pretty convenient. And once you have done that, the only thing you need to now take care of is making sure that your customer is up to date with their order tracking, as well as make sure to respond to any questions if they have. So that's about it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.